In this video, we will show you how to add a Bliss motor to your Bliss app. There are two ways to add a new motor to your Bliss app, with the P1 button on the motor or with a pre-programmed Bliss remote. First, from the Bliss app homepage, tap the plus sign on the top of the screen. Next, select Add Shade/Bridge, then select Shade. Now, select which bridge to pair to and select what type of shade it is. The app will then ask you whether you want to pair by motor or remote. If pairing by motor, find the P1 button on the motor head. Hold the P1 button for 2 seconds, then release when the motor jogs. In the app, tap Next, and the app will pair with the motor. When prompted, give the window treatment a new name and assign it to a room. The motor is now ready for use. If pairing by remote, select the channel that controls the shade you want to add. Turn the remote over, remove the battery cover, and find the P2 programming button. Press the P2 button and the shade will jog. Then, press the P2 button a second time and the shade will jog again. Back in the app, tap Next and the app will pair with the motor. When prompted, give the window treatment a new name and assign it to a room. The motor is now ready for use.